Adverb of frequency. An adverb is a word that gives more detail about an action. It tells us how, when, where, or how often something happens. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. They answer the question, how often? These adverbs usually go before the main verb or after the verb, be. We usually use them in two ways. The first is, we put the adverb before the main verb. The second is, we put the adverb after the verb, be, like am, is, are. When we use adverbs of frequency, we can think of them like percentages. If it is 100%, it means you do it all the time. If it's 0%, it means you never do it. Always is 100%. Almost always is 90%. Usually, or often, is 80%. Sometimes is 50%. Seldom is 20%. Rarely is 10%. Almost never is 5%. Never is 0%. Let's look at some more examples. I always wake up early. She usually drinks coffee in the morning. They often go to the gym. He rarely watches television. I never eat fast food. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.